This will be a speed test between the iPhone SE 2020 versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now the iPhone SE, this one has the Bionic A13 chip, 3 gigs of RAM on the latest iOS in this beautiful product red color. The Samsung Galaxy S20 has the Snapdragon 865, a massive 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of One UI interface. Let's go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. iPhone SE 2020 versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus speed test. So let's see which one has the faster boot up here. Oh, that was very close on the boot up. Very close. You guys are the judges. Let me know in the comments down below. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over to where all the apps are. So you can see nothing's in the background on both phones. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, I think that was the SE. Messages. Ooh, very close. I think that one was a tie. The camera. Let's see, gotta pick both phones up so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Ooh, a little bit faster on the SE. So just remember, iPhone SE, this is a $400 phone. And this one, 1,000 plus. Clock. Whoops, missed touch. Let's do that again. Very close. Let's go ahead and start the stopwatch. Leave that running in the background. And we do have Chrome and Safari. All right, let's go ahead and do a search for, I don't know, OnePlus. OnePlus. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to get the OnePlus 8. Go. See which one? Very close. And then we'll scroll down a little bit. We'll go like this. And then, what is this? Get rid of that. All right, fairly quick now. Can I pinch to zoom? Yes, I can. Nice and smooth on the S20 with its ultra-fast 120Hz display. And nice and fast also on the iPhone. Let's see. You know what? Let's just go ahead and then just do a search for something else. We'll go to GSM Arena. Whoops. GSM Arena. GSM Arena. All right, let's click on this one right here. And let's see. Ooh, maybe the iPhone's ad came up first. And then let's go ahead and click on SE 2020 review. And what happened to the iPhone? It didn't register my touch. All right, so you take that one with a grain of salt. And we'll click on one more thing. Let's see, can I click on something here? Let me click on something. Next page. Yeah, let's click on this. As you can see, speeds are very similar. 865 here on the S20, 813 here on the iPhone. And there you go. Calculator. Very close. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, I think that one was the S20. All right, let's do a search for, let's see. Okay. Go. And then let's go ahead and click on this one. And click on this one. And let's go ahead and install this. And let's, some other time. Amazon. Faster on the S20. Let's go ahead and do a search for, let's see, this one. And we'll leave it there. eBay. Whoops, missed touch. Okay, what's going on with the iPhone? All right. A little slow there on the response on the iPhone. Not sure what that was about. Let's click on something. Let's click on this leaf blower. And then we'll just leave it on that page. Now onto some games, Mario Run. Let's go. So as you can see overall, pretty similar speeds, I'd say. And this one a little bit faster on the right. Tap to begin. Ooh, but the iPhone faster on the second step. This one. Loading on both phones. Oh, the S20 way faster on this. We'll tap to play. We'll leave it there. And then we do have Subway Surf on both devices. Oh, so close. You guys are the judges. Slow down the video for me. We'll tap to play. And then we do have the Angry Birds 2 on both phones. Let's check this one out. Oh, starting up logging in. Hella fast on both. Oh, iPhone's ahead. Will the S20 catch it? Oh, I think the S20 got it, man. I think that was the S20. Initially, SE was out in front, but the S20 caught it. I'm gonna give that one to the S20. We do have the Asphalt 9. Gameloft, oh, looks like the SE is out in front. But again, will the S20 catch it? What will happen? Oh, and again, the S20 caught up. Give that to the S20. And now what's happening to the iPhone? A little bit of a lag. There we go. All right. S20 now backing down. And then we do have PUBG. Now, before I launch this game, based on past experience on iOS, PUBG is always much faster, but let's see what happens right now. Go. Tencent Games. Let's see. Will this be the time the S20 will beat the iPhone on PUBG? Let's see. Oh, see what I'm talking about? Just, the iPhone's much faster. Now what is this? Some extra stuff. You know what? I'm gonna try that one again. Just because this had extra stuff. I'm gonna clear it from the RAM. Let's do that again. See what happens. And again, the iPhone's out in front. Oh, noise from the iPhone first. And again, faster on the iPhone. And again, some extra stuff here. All right, well, iPhone was faster on both times, so we'll give it to the iPhone. Twitter. And again, a miss. This is like a third missed touch. All right, let's do that one again. I don't know if it's me or if it's the screen of the iPhone. Go. There we go. Much faster on the Galaxy. IG. And again, a missed touch. Oh my God. What is happening? I don't know if it's my finger or if it's the screen of the device. All right, let's do this again. Much faster on the S20. WhatsApp. All right. I'm going to make sure this time. A lot faster on the S20 and Snapchat. Faster on the S20. Let's take a look at the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now on paper, the S20 should have the major advantage, 12 gigs of RAM, and the SE has only 3 gigs. But we all know iOS is very well optimized. So let's just run through these apps again and then just see what happens. IG, good to go. Twitter, good to go. And then we do have the PUBG, still there. Okay, let's see if the iPhone can hang. Oh, what is this? Okay, that wasn't really a full reload. That was just like some sort of reset on the game. Angry Birds 2, still there. Remember, iPhone only 3 gigs of RAM. Good to go on the Subway Surf, and then we do have the Temple Run again. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Super Mario Run. Mario time on both. Okay, eBay. Same page, Amazon. Whoops, again another missed touch on iPhone. Same place. Yeah, man, I don't know if it's my finger or what. Install this? Nah, maybe in the next video I'll install that for real. Calculator, same place. Safari and Chrome. Oh, a little bit of a stutter here on the iPhone, okay. Maybe signs of slowing down, I don't know. Clock still running the stopwatch. And then we do have the camera, which I'm gonna pick up both phones. So let's see which one will relaunch this faster, all right? Faster on the right, so you can see. And then we do have the messages here. Faster on the S20. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup? Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your brand new iPhone SE 2020? Do you have this phone, but you're on a tight budget and you still want a brand new iPhone based on an old body, but with upgraded specs, such as the A13 Bionic chip, a pretty good camera for what it is. The screen is only 750p, still at 326 ppi. And I have to say, the size of this phone, I've been rocking big phones for a number of years now. To go back to something like a 4.7-inch display, feels really good to hold, very nice and comfortable in the hand. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your Samsung Galaxy S20 or S20 Plus? How you liking that 120Hz display? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.